Namaste friend, this is Jagannath from Novotel, Hyderabad Convention Center. Today I am here to make a different tropical mocktail, that is citrus cut. Citrus cut is a mocktail which is made up from freshly squeezed orange, lemon and mixed well with aerated ginger flavor soft beverages. Let's see how it's made. First we need to add Demerara sugar, that's called brown sugar. Yes, there's 5 gram of that. Yes, on that we need to squeeze fresh lemon, 3 pieces of that. Yeah, fresh orange as well, and need to add ice in that. So on that I'm going to add ginger flavor aerated beverage which is called ginger ale, which I'm having with me presently. So this is the one ginger ale, sweet ginger ale I'm going to add in that. Oh, nice. So before drinking this, need to mix well once. So along with straw we need to drink that. So before present my cocktail, I would like to taste how my cocktail. Nice, frozy one. Please enjoy this mocktail and along with some food. Thank you.